everyone, in this video we're going to look at the trapezoidal rule. So first of all we're looking at an object here that's close to a trapezium. So usually if we have a trapezium, I'm going to draw a straight line across there. Our measurements for that we would say is A and B, and that's our H, with A and B being the parallel sides. So we use the area is equal to H over 2 bracket A plus B. Now we're going to look at the trapezoidal rule and how we apply that. Because at the moment you can see we're not including all of it. Okay, so we're missing a little bit of this shape here. So with our trapezoidal rule, this is why it's an approximation. So we've got H over 2 brackets df plus dl. So distance of the first plus distance of the last. So if I fill that information in, we've got H, we'd say df, dl. So when we're using our formula, we need to apply the distance between the trapezium, the distance of the first plus the distance of the last. Now we're going to have a look at a question. So in this question, we're going to use the trapezoidal rule to calculate the area. Now we're going to actually use 1, 2, 3, 4 applications of the trapezium. With this one, it's going to be a lot more accurate because if we used one, we're really cutting a lot of that part up here off. So we're going to use 4 applications. So I'm going to start with, first of all, identifying what H is. So I know the distance from here to here is 12. These are all even. So therefore, H is going to be 3 meters. So now using my formula, A is approximately equal to 3 over 2. Now the distance of the first in this first trapezium is 5, and the distance of the last is 7. So we've got 5 plus 7, and then I'm going to use another application, 3 over 2. The distance of the first is 7 plus 12 plus 3 over 2. The distance of the first is 12 plus 8. Again, for our last application, 8 plus 10. So we can calculate that all in one go, and it's going to approximately equal 103.5 meters squared, and that's the 1 decimal place. So again, the big one here, you need to identify the distance or what H is. Use your formula to help you calculate the area using the trapezoidal rule.